Hi, I'm Ben from Better Change. I'd like to invite you to our Certified Agile Leadership Training, where we'll work together to unlock your full leadership potential. Today, the ability to lead with agility is more critical than ever. Our training is designed to equip you with the skills to adapt and thrive in a complex, evolving environment. We focus on real-world applications because leadership isn't just about theory, it's about action. Over the 2 days, we'll dive into Agile foundations, leadership styles, and organizational culture. You'll explore both the doing and the being of Agile, assessing your own leadership style and developing a clear path to lead authentically. What makes our program unique is the personal approach we bring. Using real data from your own organization, we'll design actionable steps that you can implement right away. This is about practical leadership development, tailored to who you are and where you're headed. I'm excited to work with you on this journey. Join me for our Certified Agile Leadership Training and start leading with clarity, confidence, and agility.